Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your Discord username invisible. Not really username anymore because that's no longer possible, but your display name. Now, in the past, it used to be possible to hack the username by typing some invisible ASCII character code into it, and you would not see it in chat. And that is no longer possible with the recent updates to how Discord processes usernames, but you can still hide your display name. Okay, so go to settings. Here, go to display name. And if you have your display name empty, it's simply going to use your username. Now go to Google and type 1CBC character. Enter, go to the first page here, and copy and paste this invisible character. Right click, copy, and we can close that. Now going back here, paste that invisible character into your display name. Paste, save changes, go back to Discord, and as you can see, your display name is invisible. Now, this does not entirely hide your username. There's simply no way of doing that anymore. But if you still want to have an invisible display name, that's how you would do something like that.